Dance, dance.
She's on her tiptoes.
Dance,
It's a little too high for her,
dance.
but I'm gonna adjust. She'll grow up quick, so it doesn't matter.
What'd you get?
She
Yay!
gets dancing. When she puts her feet down hard, I think it's up. She gets to the bottom.
Dance, dance. Yay! Yay, Ava!
So, Ava.
They're all a little different, the ones she has, you know?
Yeah, it's cool. She loves it.
This one does something too.
Push the button.
And
the
you
red
guys, it was
button.
like, well, it's
The
like
lights come
jungle.
on. Look at there's lights coming on. See that?
And
This is-
when she's older, the whole seat thing comes off, and she can just use the
It can do
table.
just the table.
Oh, that's
She
cool.
can walk.
Yep. Yay!
Well, here, let's get you
Oh,
around the
look,
table.
and that
Let's go.
turns around too. You see
Let's
that?
go here.
She
See
can
what's
turn-
this one.
She can turn
And she
all
knows
the
how
way
to
around
do
in
that because her other ones turn.
Ooh, you hear that?
You do it. There's a mirror here in this thing. Show her the little mirror. Turn that around.
Whoa, that's cool.
We're coming that way.
Look at here, Ava. Look. Look at the baby. There's Ava in there. There's Ava in there. See the baby? That's cool. It's got a little mirror on it.
Really cool.
Come on over that
It's got
way.
a snack tray. This side right here is pretty cool. I like this thing.
She's coming over that way.
Yay!
What, you want to chew on that for a while?
And it's got the teething.